Tobagos. We growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego. We pass it round hot potato. Everything is nuevo. I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes, Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil. I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special. You gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade. Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed unless you change. What's around you, how you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach, let it sink. What's your purpose? What's your passion? Through the pain, what's your plan? Is it plane? On a plane? How'd you play? I'm just playing.
Oh, it's I fell over. Liking this van this week. 6.1 work van. This is owned by a friend of ours called Pete. Pete Steph on Facebook if you know him. Pete's got a really cool T6.1 which is static. This is a bit of a blast from the past really, because Pete bought this air kit for this van probably about 6 years ago. I remember him buying it as well, but Pete's van is proper low on coilovers and he gets around fine with it because everything's raised on it. He doesn't really need it to be bagged. So I was chatting away to him over Christmas and he's got this as his work van. He said, well, you might as well use the kit and put it on that. So we're doing that for him. But we've also got a new camera, which is what I'm filming on now. So we need to test it out and see if it's any good. Which is the whole purpose of this video.
I hope I didn't flush too loud.
Microphone might pick it up, you never know. So, I'm going to carry on, get on with this van.
What's your purpose? What's your passion? Did it pay? What's your play? Is it play? Wanna play? How'd you play? I'm just playing. A beat by Joby, feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi, cause I'm a star and they can't hold me like I'm Kobe in the fourth. Yeah, nothing is ever forced. We headed straight to the source. No middleman, little man. Let me show you if you was lost. It's a couple college courses, but I ain't finished that shit. Been chasing dreams since 17, so yeah, I've been on my shit. Yeah, we loaded up the vault and had to empty the clip. Remember days we wasn't paid and had to roll up the clips.
What are you up
Hi.
to? How you doing, Jack?
Well, we were never meant to paint any of this van. We ended up painting all of this van. Put the van all back together, and then it was decided to then paint the top half.
Nice.
So it's made my life a little bit awkward, but that's how I live. And yeah, just trying to get it all flat and straight now with paint that just wants to keep falling off.
Yes, not great. Had to take the whole van back apart to paint it again, but here we are. So yes, that's now. Oh, hang on, let me turn the camera. It's much harder without a handle. How does that look? Does that look alright?
I mean, your head's in the camera.
That's nice.
There's that weird red square around it, but that means I'm sure.
It's getting weird using this camera, I must admit. It's harder than just using my phone.
You've got long arms.
I have got long arms. So yeah, Jack's catting on with that. Catting on? Getting on? Getting on with that. We're getting on with that van. Let's carry on. Just go over the kit of what we've got for this van. I've got ahead and already taken all the plastics off from underneath, and I'm now about to take the old suspension off. Now we've got here an Intermotive kit. We don't have much dealings with Intermotive very often. I believe it's still an available kit on the market. It's not a bad kit actually. It's one of the ones you don't see as often, but it's still a decent kit. I believe these rear bags, the rubber, is the same as what Solo used for theirs. Just different plates and stuff. So yeah, Intermotive bags. Like I said, this is a bit of a blast from the past. So Pete's actually got a Via compressor, which we don't use very often nowadays. Now we use all the Solo compressors because they're obviously much quieter. The Vias are quite loud, but they are fast. So yeah, they're a good compressor. They stand the test of time. We're gonna get them on. Now Pete had 3P for this, so manifold loom, airline, water trap, blow-off valve, inflation valve. He didn't have any rear shocks, so we've supplied the Solo short air shocks. And then, like I said, Pete had that lot already. We've got to fit Powerflex rear bushers, so got a hold of them. And it also, because this work van wants to go on to 3H now, so again, we've supplied all the height sensors and all the stainless steel bracket kits that we make. So, first things first, I think I'm going to get the suspension off, I'm going to get the bushers out of the way, because I hate doing bushers. But it needs to, so I'm going to get the stuff out of the way that I hate the least, hate the most first. I'm going to do the bushers, then I might do cutting of the wheel arches. Because Pete, that's it, he wants to go quite low. There's only so low you can go with new 6.1s. They're a bit of a pain. All the drive shafts and ball joints and track rods all bottom out higher than on the earlier vans. But so far, we haven't, nobody else has raised the engine subframe on 6.1. If there's ever going to be one that we do it on, it will probably be this van, because I know Pete, like I said, he's got his low static van. He's probably not going to be as happy as what he thinks he's going to be when he picks this up, because it's not going to be as low as what he's used to. But I think we can raise an engine subframe one of these. It's just someone having the balls to let us chop one about and give it a go. It was all escalated a little bit. I carried on with Pete's van. Got all the air ride stuff on under here. Compressor and manifold, all that sort of stuff. I sent the pictures to Pete, and although he's happy, he's not, he's not that happy about it, because he's so used to having such a low static van. It's a bit of a disappointment for him. So naturally we've gone, full ham on it now. In true lowdown style. So I've cut, taken all the front end off, gone right up, welded in a section in there to cover that back up. Now that will cause enough drop to then tuck the bit of the wheel by like 5-10 mil, which is pretty impressive on such a big tyre. Here's one wheel on. Now the people with a keen eye will have spotted that something's missing. We got bored of people telling us that, you can't do a subframe raise on a T6.1. We got bored of saying that ourselves as well. So, time to see if we can do one. I've done a terrible job of filming. So we got the subframe raise and everything done. Pete's van. Now it looks fairly not low in a sense, because it's like arch to lip all the way around. But bear in mind, that is a 205/50 19 tyre, and I think the rear is a 255/40 or 45. So yeah, we managed to get quite a nice drop out of that. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. So yeah, I'm now going to have a mad stress run around and try to get ready for Campermart. So what I thought I'd do is get the fuel cooler on, which Tom Bullingham from Centurion Motor Services nicely donated. So yeah, on the pre-facelift T5s, I think it's just the 1.9s, maybe the 2.5 as well, I can't remember. They have this fuel cooler for the return fuel. They're usually like here on the bottom of a plastic, but obviously that would then be battered. I mean, you can see that's off of a standard van and that's been hit a couple of times. The one that come off the waste bus was, mangled, which is why I kind of threw it in the bin. But it might be a case that I need it. I don't know whether the fuel is getting too hot after a certain amount of time, or when it's less than half a tank and the fuel pumps in the tank don't like the heat. I have read a couple of things online that say those pumps don't like the heat. So we'll give that a go. That's on now. Now I've got to finish. Just a few check overs, then I need to clean it, empty all the crap out of it, load all the stuff. We've got Beth Twiddy is in here. doing socks and things. Like I said, Jack's got his kids. He has his kids, so he's just leave on time yesterday, and he'll be at about lunchtime today. Hopefully he'll basically turn up and we'll throw everything in the van. I think between me and Beth, mostly Beth. She'll get everything packed up, ready to go for what we're actually doing, like the trading side of things. So when Jack gets here, we'll then throw everything just into the West Bus. So my plan is to literally just get this mechanically good for the journey, shouldn't be too hard, and then give it a damn good clean, and then be out ready to be packed. Carry on. Van load, full of stuff. Are we ready, gang?
Yeah.
Yes.
What are you doing in the bin?
Taking all these stupid little stickers
Let's
off.
go! Moment to tell Stork and Jack.
Oh, he moves so fast.
I've lost it. Anyway, hello Jack, in the future. So, we've made it to Salford. We've kind of set up, but it's really quite difficult to set up because we can't leave all the clothing and stuff out overnight. Well, people have used tarps and stuff. We didn't bring that up, so it'll literally just be clothing and stuff straight out overnight. It's not the worst thing in the world, but we know what we're like, we start drinking soon, so we then probably won't get in here at 7 o'clock in the morning when we're supposed to. We'll probably end up getting in here after the show actually opens and people have robbed us. But yeah, van drove faultlessly. We're in quite a nice position actually. This door will be open in the morning, that'll be on the tattoo hall and everything. So yeah, people will be able to who come from the door and turn around. So that's what people are going to see. And there's a walkway there and a walkway there. So you can either come see the West Bus and walk around this way. We've got Dan Hall's T6.1 in that we've done loads of work on. We've got that on the stand. Worked for Moses ours. Done loads of cutting on that. So we've got him there, and then we had more space than we actually thought we were going to need. Somehow, I don't know how we maxed it out. So we've chucked Gareth's van on here as well, just to close the stand in a bit. So yeah, we've got the shop counter there. We've got the new clothing rail that Jack's sorted out. And yeah, just put Gareth's van in there just to block us off from others. Yes, this is the first time we're trading in about 3 or 4 years, I think. So, sort of an alien to us again now. But we should get used to it soon. There's Robin, look. So, yes, we're now going to go out for some food and some beers and carry this on as well. Jack's running around here somewhere filming. I don't know where he is. I'll try and find him in a bit. It's a vlog! That's going to be a great intro, that is. It's a vlog! Hello.
Hi.
There's Matt Kendrick, Matt. How you saying?
That's my job.
What's his job?
That's my job.
Talking about that.
I just said it's mine, but nicer.
That starts.
Earlier, did they tell
That's the.
I'm a pervert.
Oh, you're having a great time. Oh, look, there's that fucking car you haven't unlocked on Gran Turismo yet.
Man, you nick that.
We keep sending him bits. We've
Bits
been,
of the code
yeah,
still?
we've been cutting it up and sending him little bits in his packages.
Like blackmail or something.
Yeah, we keep sending him bits of his code.
Only 2012.
Jay stole a cone once and we went out on the piss and we cut it up and sent it back to him every time he ordered something from Lowdown.
Burnt. It wasn't even like in one piece. It was all burnt up.
God, lovely drop a hotel room. We've got, oh, there's a doorway to Jack's. Oh,
It's a little strange.
Jack's pad. But where am I? What's the bathroom like anyway? Oh, the shower's a bath. I just want a shower, just a normal shower. Why do they have to put a bath in it? Hello everyone, this is the new camera by the way. Look at that, nice isn't it? So anyway, that new camera I was talking about, yeah, I didn't pick it up on the Sunday. Sorry about that. So we had a really good day on Sunday. It was really busy at the stand, got to talk to a lot of you. For those of you that didn't get to Campermart, we're now obviously back. We've unloaded the van. We've got to do a stock take and stuff, but it should be done by the time this video goes live. So all the other stuff that got produced kind of for the weekend, there's just little white neon numbers and a couple of new hoodies. They should be on the website now for you to order. We'll automatically put free shipping on there to the UK for this week as well. So because you didn't get there, at least you're not going to have to pay for shipping to get these new items. But yeah, it was a really good weekend. The West Bus performed faultlessly, but I did keep it above half a tank. Thought we'd fixed it, but then I broke down last night, so it's not fixed yet. So in the next episode, I'll probably be going over that because I have a feeling it could be electrical now. So I'll try and do some little sorts on that and add that into something in the next video. Oh yeah, hang on.
I'm just encroaching because I've got to try and pay to build a lorry.
Also, shameless plug for Dropbox Customs on these. This is the new heavyweight sweatshirt. I don't know how easily you'll see this, but it's got a really nice hem on the neck and on the sleeves and the arms. Nice buttery print, so head over to the Dropbox Customs website as well. Grab yourself something like that. You might have seen on the stand as well over the weekend. This is the new Rotiform KPR. The fronts are in stock in the UK now. The rears are landing next week, I believe. So these will be on the website sometime in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, it's a jazzy wheel. Should be available in silver and black. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. It's been a bit of a mishmash, you know, we're sort of here, there, but we just want to test out the new cameras and just get a video up for you guys. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, thanks for stopping by at Campermart to talk to us all, and see you in the next one.